I never do intros in my Loc videos. New year, new Alicia. We're doing intros in our Loc videos this year. This is my baby daddy and she do my hair. This is my baby daddy and she do my hair. Okay. We're married now. For people who only watch my Loc videos, we married now. This is Courtney's silicone ring because
it works better for me when I'm in the water. Because you know how many times that my ring have slipped off my finger and almost went down the drain while washing a client's hair? So,
I want to say hi to you guys. I also wanted to come show you guys my ring. I'm a wife. So today we're going to be adding some more highlights to my hair. I want 1/3 of my hair to be highlighted, which if you do 57 divided by 3, that's 19. So we're going to have 19 locks. As you guys can see, a few of them are already highlighted, which you guys did not see. And I never do anything to my hair without y'all seeing it. So we just did this because it was like spontaneous for my birthday. I just wanted to do it. We didn't know what was going to happen because I've also not permanently dyed my hair black, but I've put black rinse over my hair. So we didn't know how it was going to go. So we just kind of did it on a wing to see.
It's kind of like a tester.
So we're going to be, the ones that are already lightened are going to get lightened more.
Yes, I can be the dyke that I always wanted to be.
Courtney got this lumberjack ass.
Yes. This just screams, I'm a lesbian.
We're going to do, I think 10 of these are already highlighted. So we're going to, no, 10.
Did you say that you wanted 11 or you said you wanted 10?
10 are already highlighted. 11, but you remember you only did 10.
I did 10. Okay,
so,
I was just trying to make sure.
Don't keep interrupting me because I'm going to have to edit all of this out. I'm just joking. I don't care. So we about to dye my hair, but this is what I told Courtney. I told Courtney whenever I basically get my hair parted down the middle, I want it to be like these two are the middle locks, and then the next two right near it, which I'm not saying this is the ones I'm grabbing. I want these to be ginger. These are going to be highlighted just in case on some like cool shit. And then also if I was to wear a side part, I want the same kind of action, which is the first two to be black and then the next two right next to it to be the ones that are highlighted, just for that coolness, you know. So 1/3 of my hair is getting highlighted. I do want to go fully ginger, but I don't know if I'll ever have the balls to fully do it because I have thin hair. Like, I have thin hair, and I know it'll be fine, but, like, my mindset is not mature enough to handle my hair being thin and thinking that it won't just break off like a stick. So that's it. Here we go. We're coloring, and we're getting my hair done. Wash, retwist, and style. Hey.
Girl, they can't even see it.
They ain't supposed to see it. It's for you to see.
It is.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Anywhere you go, you